Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my videos. Have another unboxing. So far, it looks like another win from sterlingkids.com. RC came in a nice, thick outer brown carton, and the inside box looks like awesome condition. But this is the VRX Racing touring car. This is actually a Nitro, so it's the RH1003. I guess it's X Ranger, but I'm really excited for this. I actually really like the VRX Nitros with the Force .18 engines, and they have really nice chassis and really nice touches. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out, and we'll get this thing unboxed. Just got this out of the brown box and it looks awesome, in great condition. One thing I wanted to show you guys before we open this up is the different bodies that this thing comes in. So here's the one that I grabbed. I decided to go with the green. They do make a blue and a red version also, but I really wish that they had the other ones available. This looks like a 911 Carrera, this looks like a Lotus Elise, and that looks like a Ford GT. I would have picked any of those. They look pretty cool. But this is a Skyline or a Nissan S15. I'm pretty happy with it, or at least we'll find out. But I'm glad that Sterling Kits had the green one, which is different, and I didn't find available anywhere else. I do like things a little bit less common, but you can see on the top of the box, it's the red one that you'll find on the electric versions. But this is going over a 110 scale VRX Nitro RC car. Give you a shot of the inside like usual. And here's the manual, typical Fly Sky GT2 transmitter. There is the antenna tube and the bind adapter. Okay. And you can see on the back they even give a little parts tree for the Force 18 engine. Oh man, that looks beautiful. Oh. Get a better shot right inside. So as usual, we'll start with the accessories box. I have to say, this thing looks awesome. It feels great. So in the accessories box, just the transmitter, Fly Sky GT2. You've seen in all my videos if you've watched. This takes 8 AA batteries, which is the only gripe I have with this. Otherwise, it's a solid budget transmitter. Great range, nice grip. But I do swap this out for my Fly Sky GT3C, which I just released a video on how to bind it on an HSP Nitro. And the same would apply to this because it comes with a Fly Sky receiver. But let's get to the good part. Very well packed. Side supports, and it's nicely zip tied in the packaging, which is cool. So it's not bouncing around during transport, which I hate, and most RCs come like that. But really, I have to give it to Sterling Kits. They have to be the best Chinese seller that I have ordered from and dealt with. Their packaging and shipping is awesome. I've still been able to use their 13% off coupon, the Black Friday coupon that they had. So let me go ahead and open this up, and let me set the RC up. so that we can get a good look at it. See how the view is. So that thing looks amazing. I'll go without the box. You might have seen in my videos, I basically have one of each of the VRX Nitros with the exception of the short course truck, and I still question why, considering how much I love short course trucks, that I haven't picked that one up yet. But maybe it's because I do have the brushless version, and it is actually the more expensive of the 110 series. But this is a great body. I really like the VRX bodies, especially the one that comes on the rally, the Nitro rally car. Even a silica bag. This is a first, actually. I haven't seen that in here before. But to get a nice shot of the chassis, this thing looks amazing. They do great metal touches to the receiver mount and even the head, the steering head. But this is the, I think, a 75 cc fuel tank, a Force 1.8 engine. I do have a metal pipe that just came in for here, and I did order another 2-speed transmission. I did a how-to video on the rally car for how to install the 2-speed onto the VRX chassis, which also applies to this. So I do have a set of parts that I am considering throwing onto here. Other than that, this is very similar to the other VRX 110s. This is your receiver box, where your battery pack goes and where your receiver is. And aside from that, this is the TC chassis touring car. Nice fat oil-filled shocks, metal tops but plastic body, if that matters. And I will do a comparison video with this and the HSP 94122 Flying Fish, which is their version of the touring car. These are non-painted wheels, kind of cool. I think I do like this. These are pretty grippy for touring car rubber tires, but I'm pretty sure they'll still be able to drift or slide around. But this thing is looking pretty amazing. Another thing about the VRX is great is they use these nice little rods for the linkages. And you'll see in the comparison what HSP uses. And it's nothing wrong. They both designs get the job right and get the job done. But these do feel cleaner. This is pretty cool. A nice blue metal chassis. I think the other blue chassis is on the short course Nitro truck. The truggy and buggy both come in silver, which is cool, not a problem. But this does look really clean. So there's a shot of that. And let me get the body back on this so you can take a look. There you go. Sorry about that. Very cool. So I'm excited to get this one broken in and started. I forgot to mention, or I will mention, one bummer about the touring car Nitros is with such nice bodies, it's kind of sad that it'd be ideal to cut the windows open just for ventilation and access to the engine. So what I do is I actually save these nicer bodies, and I'll throw a beater body on them. As you'll see in some of my videos, I just did a road bash setup on my HSP touring car, actually, because that one comes with a really nice GTR body that I do not want to ruin. But anyways, I'll give you a different shot of the top. Awesome engine. Um, very, very good power and responsiveness. And yeah, this looks awesome. So thanks for watching.